Welcome back! This is lesson 37 of our Russian course for beginners. In the last lesson, we started verbs and learned words like to live or to walk. Today, we take a big step forward. We will learn how to talk about your movement and lifestyle. We will answer the question, how do you get there and what do you do for fun? This is essential A1 Russian for travel and daily conversation. Let's get started. In English, you just say I go. In Russian, we specify. Are you walking or driving? We have two verbs. Repeat after me. Идти, идти. Ехать, ехать, ехать. Идти means to go. Ехать means also to go. But идти means to go by foot or walking. Ехать means to go by vehicle or driving some car. Let's see some examples. Repeat after me. Я иду в парк. Я иду в парк. I'm walking to the park. Я еду в центр. Я еду в центр. I'm going to the center. You can think about идти as your legs and ехать as your wheels. Very simple. Now let's add some more verbs to describe your hobbies and your life. Repeat after me. Гулять, гулять. To walk. Я гуляю в парке. Я гуляю в парке. I'm walking or hanging out in a park. Бегать, бегать. To run. Я бегаю утром. Я бегаю утром. I run in the morning. Плавать, плавать. To swim. Я плаваю в бассейне. Я плаваю в бассейне. I swim in the pool. Путешествовать, путешествовать. To travel. Я путешествую часто. Я путешествую часто. I travel often. Путешествовать is long word, but it's very useful for travelers. Wait. Do not confuse идти and гулять. Идти is for going to a destination. Гулять is for walking for pleasure or hanging out with friends. Now let's complete some sentence with the blanks. I will say the sentence with the blanks and give you a time for complete. Я в музей. Я в музей. Я иду в музей. Я иду в музей. Я в такси. Я в такси. Я еду в такси. Я еду в такси. Вечером я с друзьями. Вечером я с друзьями. Вечером я гуляю с друзьями. Вечером я гуляю с друзьями. Летом я в море. Летом я в море. Летом я плаваю в море. Летом я плаваю в море. Let's see some short conversations. Repeat after me. Conversation number 1. Куда ты идешь? Куда ты идешь? Я иду домой. Я иду домой. Conversation number 2. Ты едешь на работу. Ты едешь на работу. Да, еду. Да, еду. Conversation number 3. Ты любишь путешествовать? Ты любишь путешествовать? Да, очень. Да, очень. Great job today. Now you can describe how you move and what do you do for fun. You are becoming much more fluent in Russian. Don't forget, on my Patreon you can find extra exercise for this lesson. The link is in the description. In the lesson 38, we will learn verbs for the thinking and communication, like to know, to understand, and to speak. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep learning. See you in the lesson 38.